Are you looking for the best Chinese drone under $300? In this video, we will look at some of the best Chinese drone under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZLL SG909 SG909MAX Drone. The ZLL SG909 SG909MAX Professional Drone with 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal 5G 360-degree obstacle avoidance, touchscreen FPV brushless RC drone turns every flight into an unforgettable expression of art and freedom. It gives you the power to capture the world from above with emotion and clarity, blending technology with the beauty of imagination. Each takeoff feels like entering a new dimension, where the sky becomes your creative playground and every motion paints a story filled with depth and feeling. Its elegant structure and balanced control make flying feel natural, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than complexity. The seamless connection between your vision and its performance brings moments of calm, excitement, and inspiration all at once. Whether it is a peaceful horizon or a thrilling aerial chase, it turns ordinary scenes into visual poetry. The ZLL SG909 SG909MAX Professional Drone inspires you to rise beyond limits, where each captured frame reflects emotion and adventure. It is more than an aircraft. It is an experience that connects your passion to the endless sky, letting every journey become a memory crafted with light, motion, and heart. Number 2. SJRC F22 S2 4K Pro Plus Drone. The SJRC F22 S2 4K Pro Plus Drone upgrade version 6km distance, 2-axis electronic image stabilization gimbal, 5G, Wi-Fi, GPS quadcopter professional RC drone brings the feeling of limitless flight and pure creative freedom. It transforms the sky into a canvas of emotion, allowing every journey to tell a story filled with color, depth, and energy. Each flight carries a sense of discovery, turning the ordinary into something extraordinary with movement that feels graceful and alive. Its refined stability and detailed imagery create a harmony between precision and passion, inspiring you to explore perspectives beyond reach. The quiet strength in its motion makes you feel completely in control while the world unfolds beneath you in stunning clarity. Whether it is to capture peaceful landscapes or thrilling moments of adventure, it holds the ability to translate vision into art. The SJRC F22 S2 4K Pro Plus drone connects technology with emotion, giving wings to imagination and confidence to creativity. Every takeoff awakens curiosity. Every landing leaves wonder behind. It is not just an advanced flying machine. It is a companion for dreamers who see beauty not just on Earth, but far above it. Number 3. Erilles RG800MAX Drone. The RG800MAX brushless relay image transmission aircraft aerial photography with screen-controlled GPS obstacle avoidance drone for MV brings together the spirit of innovation and the emotion of discovery in one graceful creation. Every flight feels like poetry written in the air, where each turn and rise reflects freedom, vision, and imagination. It allows you to see the unseen, to capture the beauty that often stays hidden beyond the ground, transforming motion into memories that stay vivid forever. Its calm precision and flowing movement create a deep connection between pilot and sky, making every journey feel effortless yet full of wonder. The strength within its smooth design brings confidence to explore without fear, while its stability ensures every view remains clear and powerful. Each flight becomes a blend of control and emotion, where the world below turns into art framed by the sky above. The RG800MAX brushless relay image transmission aircraft invites dreamers to rise beyond limits. It is not just a flying device. It is a way to experience life differently, to touch the horizon, and to capture feelings that words cannot describe. Every moment with it becomes a story that lives through the lens of flight.